Moonlight cuts the ocean wide, splits the dark in silver flame. I set my gaze across the tide, let the waves still all my pain. Not silent, not endless, the world runs through every crest. In its glow like prima donnas, stars perform in moonlit dress. It hums the song of Galbex, gels my skin and sets it bright. The sea speaks in confessions, pulling me into its night. Every ripple, a promise made. Every crest, a soul unswayed. Dissolve inside in pure delight, flesh reborn in liquid light. No end to grace, no line, no seam. This is how the world was dreamed. Perfection flows, and I believe this is how the wild sea breathes. No shore, no name, just pulse and glow. The moon writes truth the tides can't hide. I'm not lost, I'm part of it, where ocean dreams and stars collide. Dissolve inside your delight, drowning leaves and finding light. No bounds to what the night can show. This is how the heavens flow. Perfection sings, and I'm free. One breath with the moonlit sea. Moonlight on water, no beginning, no end, just the sea and me.